The final video to fix dynamic lighting not working in Windows 11. And if your lighting effects do not appear, let me ask you, are you trying to enable dynamic lighting, but the feature does not respond or shows no effect? This problem usually happens because device drivers are outdated, Windows settings block adaptive features, or RGB software conflicts with the system. Sometimes recent updates, background apps, or incorrect hardware configurations also trigger the issue. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with complicated driver tweaks, risky registry edits, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still do not restore dynamic lighting. But on Rexis, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of changing every setting blindly, we fix the exact driver, RGB software, and system path that causes dynamic lighting to fail. This works because it restores proper communication between Windows and lighting hardware. The method is fast, safe, and works on all setups. Once you apply it, dynamic lighting works normally, effect display correctly, and the problem disappears. I tested this fix on multiple PCs. It worked every time. That is why Rexis shares smart, stress-free solutions. If dynamic lighting not working in Windows 11 is frustrating you, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.